Welcome. In this video, we'll learn how to convert temperatures between Celsius and Fahrenheit using JavaScript. Let's get started. Fahrenheit and Celsius are two temperature scales that measure heat. While Fahrenheit is mainly used in the US, Celsius is widely used worldwide. Let's see how to convert between them. Formulas to convert between these two scales are simple. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, we simply multiply by 9 over 5 and add 32. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, we subtract 32 and multiply by 5 over 9. Here's the code to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. In this example, to convert 60 degrees Celsius to 140 degrees Fahrenheit using the formula we discussed earlier. Similarly, this code converts Fahrenheit to Celsius. In this example, 45 degrees Fahrenheit is approximately 7.22 degrees Celsius. Here's the complete program with both functions for converting between Celsius and Fahrenheit. You can easily switch between the two scales. Here's an updated version using ES6 arrow functions. The logic remains the same, but this is the preferred syntax in modern JavaScript. And that's it. Now you know how to create a JavaScript program to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials.